What's up people, ManRat here, coming to you with a video. The last video that you saw, we cubed cucumber. This time we're going to be doing the same thing with a tomato, or tomato, whatever you want to call it. The main thing that you need is a cutting board with a paper towel underneath it, that way it doesn't move. This one is glass, and you also need a sharp knife, sharper the better. What you need to do is wash the tomato, and the type of tomato that you need, preferably Roma tomato, because they are having less seeds. And the tomato should be firm. It should not be like plump or anything. It should be as solid as you can get. Take the tomato very carefully, put it like this, go from the top that has a small little, this mark right here, as you can see. That's going to be your main cutting radius. Just cut right here. Now it's split in half. Now you take it again, split in half. I know my cutting technique, the claw, I'm not using, but I'm very careful. I've done that for a long time. Cut it again. So now that this is done, the tomato now can sit on its ridge. The thing that you also want to be careful of is to take off this part. And again, do not do this because if you're not careful, I am careful, so I'm going to be doing it, but do not do it. Preferably put it on the board and then take it off. Don't do this thing that I was doing. That's not the good thing. Alright, so once that is done and you have the cubes lined up, all you need to do is go diagonally right here. And again, the reason why we cut is that way it is sturdy. Go right here and do it very slowly. You don't want to bruise the skin. Let the knife weight do the cutting. That is done. Once it's done, line them up 2 at a time, or if you want you can put 3 at a time. Cut it into half and then just turn it sideways, and again the same section. If something falls off like this, you can discard it, or you can put it on the side to cut later on. Just cut it again. Seeds, again, the vein of the seed can cause water to take place. You can take that out if necessary, and boom, just like that you have the tomato. And this thing, toss it in the compost. So there you go, you got your tomato cubed up. If you don't like the seeds, you can take them off before. Let me actually show you how to do that without the seeds. De-seed the tomato. All you need to do is right here, follow the contour. I've seen plenty of videos, so there you go. That thing is deveined. Now the tomato is completely without seeds. Again, put it down, skin side down in this case. Cut it. Once it's cut, turn it sideways.